As the first temporary humanitarian truce between Hamas and Israel took effect Friday in the Gaza Strip, hundreds of thousands of people in Gaza have been assisted with food, water, medical supplies, and other essential humanitarian items. According to a spokesman for the Gaza side of the Rafah crossing, 150 trucks carrying humanitarian aid had entered Gaza, including 4 carrying cooking gas and 3 carrying fuel. In addition, Palestinian ambulances have crossed the Rafah crossing to the Egyptian side to transport the wounded and the sick for treatment. Palestinians stranded in Egypt also began returning to Gaza. Palestinian authorities have called for the displaced to return to their homes in the northern strip, but Israel had warned that it would prohibit them from moving northward during the truce.
أنا أصلاً ساكن غزة، تم النزوح إلى الوسطى، جاي اليوم أطلع على بيتي أشوف بيتي. يجب فتح ممر آمن من الشمال للجنوب والعكس صحيح. لن نتنازل عن أرضنا، سندخل والغصب عنهم، ولكن نتمنى أن الوسطاء يتدخلوا في قصة الهدنة، أنه نستطيع أن نتحرك من الجنوب للشمال والعكس صحيح. والسلام عليكم.
أنا مروح على غزة أشوف بيتي وأهلي وعيالي وكل حالنا هناك يعني. والله جاي أنا أولادي نازحين وبدي أرجع، ما فيش رجوع. أنا شايف الناس بس بتصل وبترجع تاني يعني، ما في إطلاق نار وفي دبابات زي ما هم وكل شيء زي ما هو.
Palestinian medical and security source said that at least 2 Palestinians were killed and others wounded while trying to return to their homes, which were not allowed by the Israeli army.